Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy roasted cauliflower salad using just these 4 ingredients. We've got a big beautiful head of cauliflower over there. We've got our extra virgin olive oil, some Greek feta cubes, and a red onion. And you can mix and match these ingredients. You can use other ingredients to make the roasted cauliflower salad of your dreams. And I've written a full blog post down below where I'll leave some ideas for adaptations and other ingredients you can use. And also make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try. So I've got the oven preheating behind me to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. I am going to season my cauliflower, chop it up into little bite-sized pieces, and get it into a baking dish. I've chopped my cauliflower up, ready for the oven, and I've also sliced up my red onion. You can use as much or as little as you like, but I'm going to season those separately. First, the beautiful cauliflower. Forgot an ingredient before. Salt. We're going to use salt and a bit of extra virgin olive oil. Drizzle over, shake it all around, make sure it's all nice and coated, and then it'll go into the oven. So I've drizzled over heaps of olive oil, done a few shakes of salt, give it a good little toss around, and now it's going to go into the oven, which is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, for about 25 minutes, half an hour. I'm just going to keep a watch of it at about the 20-25 minute mark and cook it till it's beautiful and golden. Now for our onions, we want nice caramelized, not burnt to a crisp onions. So I've got some butter melting in the frying pan. I've got it on over a very low to medium heat. My stove goes up to 6, so I've got it at number 3, if that helps, kind of medium. And I'm going to just very slowly caramelize these onions while our cauliflower is cooking. My onion is just very slowly caramelizing. It smells pretty amazing. And now of course you can use as much or as little onion as you like, because it is a little higher in carbs than other vegetables, so just do whatever you like. I'm just enjoying slowly watching my onion caramelize, and then we'll put it all together. And the onions are beautifully caramelized to my liking, and the cauliflower's roasted. It's just come out the oven. It's 25 minutes, half an hour is all you need, and you've got beautiful roasted cauliflower. So it's time to put it all together. I've topped my cauliflower with all of my beautiful caramelized onion. You could move this into a salad dish or salad bowl if you want to, but I'm happy using my little roasting baking dish over here. It just saves washing up and it looks good enough for me. So now we're just going to top it up with our feta. Now I've gone with this Greek feta cubes. You can use any feta or goat's cheese that you like, but I just thought I would use some of my feta, crumble it over, and then also drizzle over a couple of teaspoons or tablespoons, I'll see how it go, of that beautiful liquid underneath there, which is olive oil as well, and herbs, and it's just so good. But you could use a salad dressing if you want, or a creamy dressing, whatever you like, a vinaigrette, to bring it all together for your salad. And you could enjoy this salad warm or chilled from the fridge. It's totally up to you. So let's pop over some feta and we're done. The salad just works so well together because the cauliflower just absorbs all the flavor from the feta and that beautiful brine and the caramelized onion. It's just so beautifully balanced. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try, what you think of it. I look forward to reading your comments, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with this full recipe and some adaptations too, so check that out. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.